Hi everyone, my name is Davina Vaughn and this is my introduction video for week 1. And I hope you have an opportunity to learn a little more about who I am. So I am from the city of Brotherly Love, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, born and raised. I attended the Lincoln University from 2001 until 2005, and I graduated with my bachelor's degree in elementary education. I also graduated cum laude, and I hope to do the same with my master's degree. I currently teach 4th grade at Warner Elementary. Go Thunderbirds! I love it. I just finished my first year at Warner. I transitioned from a charter school and it has been a great transition for me, even teaching during a pandemic. It was just a smooth process. My administrators are very supportive and very organized, so it just made the transition from the charter to the district during a pandemic that much easier. And I have great colleagues as well. My degree program I am studying is Applied Technology and Education, and I am taking this class for a couple of reasons. Number one, to fulfill my elective courses for my program, and also I hope to learn more, or really to refresh my memory of how to efficiently and effectively use technology in a classroom, and to not just use technology for the sake of using it, but learning how to use technology and plan thorough lessons in a meaningful way. I started my program in the fall of 2017. I went until the fall of 2018, and then I took a break. So it's been, almost 3 years since starting my program. I took all of my core classes. So most of the information I remember, but this class, Innovations in Teaching, will definitely help to refresh my memory on the different types of technology that we can use in our classrooms, and also learning the process of thoroughly planning, using technology in a classroom and planning meaningful lessons. So that's why I am taking this course, and that's what I hope to learn from this course as well. Some fun facts about myself. I am half Bajan. My father is from Barbados, and I love going there, visiting my family. I actually have a cousin who went to middle school with Rihanna, who's also from Barbados. And I enjoy traveling when I can. I love visiting different islands. Jamaica's my favorite. Even though my family's from Barbados, I love Jamaica. I've traveled many states. I've been cross country. Anytime I can travel, I am out on an airplane. And so those are just some fun facts about myself. And one thing that I am most proud about in life, and also in my teaching career, is that one of my former 4th graders, I call her my daughter, she calls me mom. She graduated from Morgan State University this year with her bachelor's in mathematics. She's into researching mathematics, and she is going to North Carolina State to pursue her PhD in mathematics. And I am just so proud that I had an opportunity to teach her and to, build a strong and meaningful relationship with her, and that I can see her blossom through through life and her educational career and journey. And, it just warms my heart to see one of my babies now graduating with their degree and moving on in life. So that's a little bit about myself. I hope you learned a little more about who I am, and I look forward to learning about everyone else. See you soon.